The Resurrection Bay surveys that we conduct here at Alaska SeaLife Center with the help of National Park Service allow us to maintain a long-running data set of species abundance and presence within the bay and seasonality changes that we observe on a yearly basis. Our marine ecosystem is constantly changing, and so it's really unique to be able to say, hey, in Resurrection Bay, this is how this huge North Pacific event affected this small little space. As far as we know, this project is the longest continuous running seabird and marine mammal survey in Alaska. The survey has been going on for almost 15 years now. It originally started fall of 2011 and has continued running monthly since. We have 82 different species that have been seen within the Upper Bay from 2019 to 2024, ranging anywhere from glaucous-winged gulls, black-legged kittiwakes, Barrow's goldeneye, to some of the more unique special species like horned grebes, buffleheads, all sorts of different birds. We do in Seward get really cool rare species and migrators, and it's amazing. Seasonality is a huge thing that we have documented over time. This is, again, all just preliminary. We call these spaghetti plots because it looks like a bunch of little spaghetti thrown at the... Our marbled merlets, we see our peak of adults in the beginning of summer, and then we have another big peak, which is adults and juveniles, and then they disappear for a second before they start showing up and prospecting again for the next year. Everybody loves puffins, so looking at horned puffins. So they're only here during the summer. So they start showing up kind of mid-April, start their whole breeding process, and then they are really out of here by mid-October, and then by November they're really just all pelagics. These kind of surveys, because they're long-running, they can act as a warning system. Recently, we had the marine heatwave in the North Pacific in the Gulf of Alaska. It was the largest seabird die-off up here recorded in human history. And so because this survey series started before that event, we actually have our baseline info, can see what this heat wave did, and then now we have quite a few years after the heat wave to see what continuous change has been observed. With the manuscript we're working on currently from the last 10 years or so, when we determine maybe what environmental factors, variables really affect Resurrection Bay as a whole, then if we start to see those kind of events happening in the future, we relatively know how Resurrection Bay is going to react. So then we can hopefully implement some measures to either try to mitigate seabird die-offs or at least be ready for when we do have to react to something.